Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how you can upload files and share it in Google Drive. So as you can see here, I've already opened my Google Drive and then I'm going to show you how to upload the files first. So if you want to upload the file or a file, you can just click on new and you'll find the file upload option, or you can also open the file first in your file manager or file explorer. For example, I want to upload this file, these two files right here. So you can also drag these two files into the drive like this, and then the files will be uploading like so. Okay, when it is done, it will be shown like this. It will be shown as the check with a green check like this, and you just can close it. Or you can also click do this file upload and then choose the file that you want to upload. Okay, so that's it. That is how you can upload the file, and I want to show you how to share it. So for example, I want to share this Google Sheet file. So what you need to do is just click on the file and then right click, and here you'll find the get link and also share it. You can click on get link and copy the link, and then you can just share it to your friends or colleagues, or you can also invite them into the file like this, and you can also notify them and choose their role in this file. You can choose them as viewer only, commenter, or as editor. So I'm going to as editor, and when you're done, just click on send. Okay, so that's basically it. That is how you can upload and also share the files in Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next videos. Bye bye.